guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video I will do a DIY face pack. We all know that festive season is going on and you all want it to look flawless, and also you want your face to look like soft, silky and baby skin. So for that you just need papaya. Remove all your bad things from your face and it will give you a good and brightening face. So I think guys, not waste our time, let's just get into the video and let's see how to make it and how to apply it. So guys, let's get into it.
So take some papaya, grind it into a mixture grinder and make it a paste like this. After that, take one empty bowl, add 3 tablespoons of papaya puree, and then add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use freshly aloe vera gel or you can use any aloe vera gel. I'm using a Patanjali aloe vera gel. After that, add some honey for about 1 tablespoon, and then add some basen for about 3 tablespoons, and add some amount of turmeric, a pinch of turmeric for about half teaspoon, and mix them all together. After mixing, you have to make sure that there won't be any lumps, and then apply all over your face. Don't avoid your neck, guys. I have to avoid my neck because I was not having time, that's why. But apply all over your face. After applying your face, keep it for at least 15 to 30 minutes, and after that wash it off with normal water. And you have to do this for about 3 weeks. ये आपको 3 वीक के लिए करना है, तभी आपका फेस में बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा. अगर आपको कहीं जाना है, ये आप अप्लाई करो तो you will get instant radiant in your face, and then let it be dry. उसका बीच में आप जितना डांस करो, आप पढ़ो या काम करो, it's up to you. And that's it, guys. I am feeling so fresh, and this is it. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share. Bye.